What if you could double your productivity without a single extra hour? These 5 AI tools aren't just useful, they're basically like cloning yourself without the whole creepy ethical part. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or an entrepreneur, these top 5 AI productivity tools are redefining how work gets done in 2025 and are your new favorite employees. By the end, you'll know which AI tools save you the most time, money, and mental bandwidth, and you might even find one that changes your workflow forever. What if your notes could write themselves, and your to-do list could think ahead? Notion AI is like having a personal writer, researcher, and assistant built into your workspace. But it just doesn't take your scattered thoughts. It organizes, refines, and builds on them. You can prompt it to write full blog posts from short ideas, summarize long documents into digestible takeaways, and even ask it to brainstorm new business ideas. Wanted to draft a press release for meeting notes? Done. Needed pros and cons list for a big decision? Easy. It's like turning your brain into a productivity wizard without needing a wizard hat or potions. It adapts to your tone, your goals, and even your industry. It's not just productivity, it's augmented thinking. Think of it as Google Docs, a planner and ChatGPT fused into one super app. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Basically, your productivity just got a software upgrade, minus the blue screen of death, or red ring of death, if you OG Xbox fans know what I'm talking about. What if you had a single tool that could brainstorm, code, plan, and write, all at once? At this point, I'm confident you've already heard of ChatGPT, but are you up to date with the new possibilities of ChatGPT-4 Turbo? It's more than just a chatbot. It's like if Siri went back to school and now runs a startup on your laptop. Do you need to draft a business plan, write ad copy, generate code, debug an error, maybe plan your content calendar, or explain string theory like you're 5? It actually does all of that and more. With memory features, it recalls key info across chats, meaning it can help with long-term projects, not just one-off tasks. You can even customize GPTs to suit specific needs, like customer service, personal finance, or creative writing. It's like having a team of specialized experts on call, 24/7, and it never asks for PTO. I sound like a terrible boss saying that. With GPTs and custom workflows, it's like having a team of experts, developers, marketers, writers, right inside your browser. Basically, it's your smartest friend who never stops talking and actually really gives great advice. Ever sat through an hour-long meeting just to forget everything 5 minutes later? Yeah, that's me. But listen, Otter.ai is like having a hyper-focused intern that never misses a word. During meetings, it actively listens, captures everything you say, and creates a live transcript while identifying speakers and tagging action items. It's more than a transcription tool. It's like having a court stenographer who drinks espresso and actually understands your inside jokes. It gives you searchable archives of conversations, allowing you to jump to specific keywords, assign follow-ups, or share recap summaries with your team in seconds. Whether you're managing a remote team, interviewing clients, or just keeping track of chaos, Otter.ai makes sure no important moment gets lost in the noise or lost in the sauce. With Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet integrations, it's like having a digital assistant who actually listens, unlike Bob from accounting. What if your emails could write themselves in your tone, your style, but 10 times better? Yeah, this is definitely something that I need. GrammarlyGO isn't just spell check with attitude. It's a full-on writing assistant trained to understand your tone and intent. You can ask it to rewrite awkward paragraphs, suggest more concise language, or shift the vibe from casual to professional on the fly. It helps you tailor content for different platforms, whether it's LinkedIn, emails, or Slack. And with contextual awareness, it knows when you're trying to be persuasive, apologetic, or inspiring. It even knows when you're writing passive-aggressive emails. Just don't blame it when Karen replies, "Per my last message." Also, GrammarlyGO can help save hours of overthinking and rewrites, letting you focus on what you want to say, not how to say it. Whether it's emails, proposals, or social posts, GrammarlyGO turns rough drafts into polished gems in seconds. Even your boss might start asking you to ghostwrite their emails. What if your project manager could think 5 steps ahead and never forget a deadline? This is a tool I definitely need. ClickUp with AI blends the power of automation with intelligent project thinking. Say goodbye to manually updating timelines or chasing teammates for updates. It analyzes workloads, detects task dependencies, and even suggests the most efficient task order. Do you need to assign priorities or write a project summary? Just type a prompt. You type, "Make project go faster," and suddenly your calendar starts apologizing for wasting your time. ClickUp AI generates detailed briefs, organizes goals, and keeps everything moving without you lifting a finger. Whether you're leading a startup launch or managing freelance gigs, ClickUp AI helps you scale like you've got a full operations team behind you. It's like hiring a project manager who doesn't sleep, complain, or ask for PTO. Again, I sound like a terrible boss. Just don't ask it for coffee. It might actually order it. These AI tools aren't the future, they are the new normal. The only question left, are you working harder than you need to, or just not working smarter yet?